Welcome to APA Compass. You are here with Ka on Heart to Heart. For this month, Heart to Heart, I would like to share with you my year in review and some highlights. So for the month of January and February, I graduated from the Asian American Leadership Institution with 24 other amazing API participants, in which I learned to build my leadership skills, and I found a second life as a community host here on APA Compass. For March and April was my very first time on a plane ride. I took it to California and I joined Hmong National Development Conference as a participant. I had the opportunity to share my experience, connected, and celebrated the Hmong community accomplishments. For May and June, I review a Mother's Day video I made last year with families and friends. And then to end of the month, I celebrated Paralegal Day with Oregon Paralegal Association and Pacific Northwest Paralegal Association. In July and August, it was a big month. I aired my first Heart to Heart. September and October, well, you see, I love to volunteer outside of work, and so I ended my summer with a newfound volunteer experience called the Explore Urban Racing. And then I had a very wonderful birthday celebration at the beginning of October. I gotta say, my 26th birthday has been the best birthday ever. Ending October, I met Clara C., a YouTube and independent artist. Upon meeting her, she inspired me to sponsor a child through World Vision. And then for the month of November and December, I had the opportunity to MC for Seattle Hmong New Year celebration, and I met many beautiful talents from the Northwest. To end December, I will be celebrating my 1-year anniversary with work. And then to end the year, so far, I've donated some toys to the local Wells Fargo Bank. So my highlight of the year, this year I attended my very first comedy stand-up show. And so I made a promise to myself that I will take more trips to the comedy show more often. So before I end my Heart to Heart in 2013, I want to say thank you to my interviewees. Thank you for your time shared and your time visit here with me at APA Compass. I really truly appreciate the very positive chain reaction you have created and started with me here on APA Compass. To my listeners, I want to send you a quick note and tell you how much it means to me when you are listening. Out of master selections of radio station, whether it's your first time listening or your millionth time listening, you chose the APA Compass. I am thrilled by you and your pure joy of listening to my show. It truly means a lot. And to all my APA Compass veterans, thank you for starting this production and filling our lives with diversity and style. I will hope that my goal of offering service will continue to grow and advance to many more days ahead. So my second life as a community host have opened many doors for me to meet so many talented people from all walks of life. It's been such a huge experience and admiration for me to create and deepen friendships from all around. For my goals for 2014, in 2011, I started U.S. West Coast Taekwondo and I never finished it. One of my personal goals for 2014 is to resume back to Taekwondo and hopefully get my black belt soon. Another goal for 2014 is to share more stories of bravery and moments that define my time and yours here on APA Compass, and continue to share my voice through the airwaves. So thank you for your shared time with me here on APA Compass. You're here with Ka on Heart to Heart. And now please welcome my interview with Clara C.